Okay, next move on the first problem. A rigid body rotates about a fixed axis and slow down from 300 rpm to 150 rpm in 2 minutes. Determine the angular acceleration and number of revolutions completed in 2 minutes. Okay, first try to understand the problem. A rigid body rotates about a fixed axis. Okay, a rigid body rotates about a fixed axis. அப்படினா இது எதை மீன் பண்ணுது? Angular displacement of your body. This problem implies angular displacement of your body. ஒரு rigid body ஒரு fixed axis depend பண்ணி rotate ஆகுது. Initial speed 300 rpm, final speed 150 rpm. Time taken by the body to slow down from 300 to 150 rpm is 2 minutes. இந்த 300ல இருந்து 150 மாறதுக்கு அது எடுத்த டைம் 2 minutes. Okay, so first write on the initial speed n naught is equal to 300 rpm. Okay, then final speed capital N is equal to 150 rpm. Time taken small t is equal to 2 minutes. Time taken 2 minutes. Time should be in seconds. Okay, 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Therefore 2 minutes is equal to 2 into 60, 120 seconds. To find first question, find the angular acceleration. We know the angular acceleration symbol, angular acceleration alpha. Okay, second question, number of revolution completed in 2 minutes. Okay, second one, number of revolution, speed n. Okay, அந்த 2 மினிட்டுக்குள்ளாடி அது எத்தனை ரெவல்யூஷன் கம்ப்ளீட் ஆயிருக்கும், இதுதான் உன்னோட செகண்ட் இது. ஓகேவா? ஓகே, ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ரைட் ஆன் த சொல்யூஷன். Okay, first write down the solution. First unknown value alpha, second unknown value number of speed n. Okay, first we know that omega is equal to omega naught plus alpha into t. இதே இது linear property என்ன எழுதிருப்போம்? V is equal to u plus at. Here angular displacement is considered, therefore omega is equal to omega naught plus alpha into t. Okay, our aim is to find out the value of alpha. நீ கண்டுபிடிக்க வேண்டியது alpha. ஓகேவா? இப்போ டைம் தெரியும் 120 செகண்ட். omega naught unknown. So first you got to calculate the omega and omega naught value. We know that angular velocity omega is equal to common formula 2 pi n divided by 60. Common formula 2 pi n divided by 60. Here initial angular acceleration omega naught is equal to 2 pi into initial speed divided by 60. இங்க initial speed போட்டீங்கன்னா இங்க initial angular acceleration கிடைக்கும். இங்க final speed போட்டீங்கன்னா இங்க final angular acceleration கிடைக்கும். ஓகேவா? Therefore omega naught is equal to 2 into pi into initial speed n naught is equal to 300 rpm divided by 60. So omega naught is equal to 10 times of pi radian per second. This is our first answer. Okay, similarly calculate final angular velocity omega is equal to 2 pi n divided by 60. So omega is equal to 2 into pi into final speed n is equal to 150 rpm divided by 60. Calculate this value. Omega is equal to 5 times of pi radian per second. Any doubt? ஆல்ஃபா கண்டுபிடிக்க நம்ம செலக்ட் பண்ண ஃபார்முலா இது. இதுல தெரியாம இருந்தது ஒமேகாவும் ஒமேகா நாட்டும், அது ரெண்டையும் கண்டுபிடிச்சாச்சு. ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன், சப்ஸ்டிட்யூட் த வேல்யூஸ் இன் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஈக்குவேஷன். Instead of omega, substitute 5 times of pi is equal to, instead of omega naught, substitute 10 into pi. 10 pi plus alpha into t. Alpha unknown value into t 120 second. Okay, t 120 second. Rearrange this equation. 5 times of pi minus 10 times of pi is equal to alpha into 120. Therefore minus 5 pi is equal to 120 alpha. Alpha is equal to minus 5 pi divided by 120. Angular acceleration alpha is equal to minus 0.1309 radian per second square. Okay, here negative sign indicates speed gradually decreases. Okay, நம்ம ஏற்கனவே பார்த்திருக்கோம் acceleration deceleration. Speed increase ஆச்சுன்னா அதோட பேரு acceleration, speed decrease ஆச்சுன்னா அதோட பேரு deceleration. Here speed decreases from 300 rpm to 150 rpm. ஓகேவா, அதனால தான் என்ன வந்திருக்குங்க negative sign. Negative sign means speed gradually decreases or deceleration taking place. Okay, second question, calculate the number of revolution. Okay, number of revolution also known as number of rotation. ஒரு full rotation ஓட angle எவ்வளவு 360 degree. Second one, calculate theta. From the theta we can able to find out the speed n. Okay, so second formula, theta is equal to omega naught into t plus 1 by 2 into alpha t square. This is our second formula. So theta is equal to omega naught into t. Omega naught value 10 times of pi. 10 into pi into time taken 120 plus 1 by 2 into alpha value minus 0.1309 into t square 120 square. Okay, resolve this equation. Okay, resolve this equation and find out the value. Theta is equal to 2827.43 radians. Angle என்ன யூனிட்ல கிடைச்சிருக்குது? Radian. Okay, angular displacement. Okay வா, angular displacement theta is equal to 2827.43 radian. Okay, second one, என்ன ஒரே ஒரு ஃபார்முலா ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோங்க. angular displacement theta is equal to formula 2 pi into n. Angular displacement theta formula 2 pi into n. Substitute the values. Here theta is equal to 2827.43 is equal to 2 into pi into n. The formula புரியுதா? 2 into pi, 2 into 180 is equal to 360 degree. ஒரு full rotation ஓட angle எவ்வளவு? 2 pi, 360 degree. ஓகேவா, அதான் என்ன போட்டுருக்கேன், theta is equal to 1 full rotation is equal to 1 rpm, 2 pi into n. Therefore n is equal to 2827.43 divided by 2 into pi. So find out the value. Finally you will get n is equal to 450 rpm. Okay, first நீங்க பார்க்கக்கூடியது இது linear displacement angular ஆன்னு பாருங்க. angularனா in terms of theta, omega, omega naught, alpha formula substitute பண்ணுங்க. linear displacementனா u, s, a அந்த மாதிரி formula substitute பண்ணுங்க. Finally substitute the values and get the unknown value.